Every company should start thinking about the role and the relationship that data plays within their organization.
It's either you cannibalizing your value stream or your competitor.
Blockchain is going to change the world like internet did.
Think big, start small, and learn fast.
Companies that want to transition to becoming a bionic organization look first to where they can use behavioral data along with cognitive capital to improve the customer experience. Then the second thing is to really look at what kind of networks they participate in and how to make them better. And most importantly, to tie both of those activities to economic value.
Clearly the future is about robotics, artificial intelligence, and robotics and autonomy in particular are very important. Autonomous robotics is the technology that's going to automate the future.
Instead of making predictions, strategic foresight is about making good connections between various things that are happening, so that at the very end of all of this process, organizations can sort of reverse engineer the futures that they want.
When you're thinking about the bionic era, you have to have the audacity to think big, to dream big, to be able to start from a clean sheet of paper. And once you have those ideas, you have to have the scientific discipline to start small, and you have to experiment. And sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but the key thing is to learn fast.
Well, the first thing that everyone should do when they're thinking about the ethical standards is to start creating a dialogue and conversation around these things. When you're releasing a new product or feature, is there a checklist that says things like, who's going to be responsible for the data? Who's going to be responsible for the model? Could we shut this down if there's a problem? And most of all, ensuring that the teams actually have diversity and inclusion to represent a broader set of values and ideas than just the ones that might be written on some kind of product sheet.
Blockchain application for most of the enterprise is like a strategic decision for now. Or in another way, blockchain got a different name. It's called the trust machine. From technical point of view, it can provide extra trust to products or services to most of the enterprises.
As leaders, we have to really understand what these technologies are and what they can mean to our business. So my best advice is to immerse yourselves in the technologies and immerse your leadership teams in those technologies so that you can start to really visualize and practically see what the implications are to your business.
To stay out in front in an environment that's changing very, very quickly and things are converging in very, very quickly, one has to really embrace this technology and kind of be fearless about it. This is a technology that they can embrace to improve their safety records.
How should companies get started? Well, just start, right? I think everyone tries to figure out this magic bullet. So start to experiment, find some talent that's interesting and interested, but start with something, right? Stop waiting and just get your head around how this is fundamentally changing your business.